Hello guys, so today we are going to be talking about how you can create your own character on character.ai. So first of all, you will have to log into the website, and that's pretty easy. You just click on the login button that happens to be here. I have already logged in, so it's not there, but you can just use your own Google account and log in and it will be fine. So once you are here, if you want to create a character, all you have to do is click on create here and you press on create a character, and here you think of a name for your character. So for example, I want my character to be called Leo Messi, and here is his greeting. So you can make your greeting to be longer, shorter, whatever, but I will just keep it like this because this is just an example. So here you can make your toggle image generation. So you decide if you want your character to be able to generate images. Let's say that he can. And then here for your avatar, you can either choose a file from your own gallery, from your own files, or you can create an avatar just by simply typing here whatever you want. So I want a picture of Leo Messi, and I say create, and it's gonna generate a picture or a photo, and here we go. So we're gonna set this as our avatar, and this can be enough. So this you can just click on create and chat and you have created your character, or you can click on edit details, and here you can go on to a bit more of details in creating your character. So short description, you can just write for example, I am a footballer, and in a long description you can write different things. So this will all help the bot get to know the character and be able to answer the questions better. Also you can add the voice to the character. So for example, here you have a bunch of different voices that your character can have, so you can just pick and choose what's best for your character. Here you have like privacy options, so if the bot can chat with just you or anyone with the link, or if anyone can chat with it. And also here you have definitions. So here you can add examples of messages, or how you think that your character should interact with other people, and all of these things will help with making your bot as perfected as possible. So if I go insert a chat with Leo Messi, and I can write here, so if you ask him like how is life in Miami, and he's gonna say yeah, so something like that. And once you are done, you just press save, and there you have it. So you go back and you click on create. But so I have basically created a character, and as you can see, it's here, and yeah, that's it. So I hope that this video helps you, and I hope that you have fun while using character.ai.